Looking for a powerful, reliable, and affordable electric drill driver kit with all the bits you need? In this video, I'll be showing you the best electric drill driver kit that's perfect for DIY projects, woodworking, and home repairs. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit will save you time and make your work so much easier. I'll cover its features, performance, and why it's a great value for money. So stay tuned till the end to see it in action. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so you can check them out yourself. 5. Makita DF012DSE. If you're searching for the perfect combination of compactness, precision, and power, look no further than the Makita DF012DSE electric drill driver kit with bits. This 7.2-volt cordless hex driver delivers up to 71 in-pounds of torque, features a clever auto-stop clutch that prevents overdriving, and offers 21 torque settings plus a 2-speed selector, 200 RPM and 650 RPM, to match your project's needs. At just 1.2 pounds and with a versatile design that switches easily between straight-in and pistol grip layouts, it's built for comfort and control even in tight spaces. Plus, the built-in LED light and low battery indicator ensure you're never working in the dark or getting caught unaware. 4. DEKOPRO DKMT186-GP. Elevate your DIY game with the DEKOPRO Pink Drill Tool Kit Set. A sleek, powerful 20-volt cordless drill that's as stylish as it is functional. This compact kit comes equipped with a 1.5-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery that fully charges in just 1.5 hours and delivers up to 1 to 3 hours of runtime, depending on usage. Whether you're tackling home repairs, crafting projects, or light construction, this drill's vibrant design and reliable performance make it both practical and fun to use. Don't forget to check the description below for direct links to grab your own kit and jumpstart your next project with ease. 3. CRAFTSMAN V20. The CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max cordless drill driver kit, CMC D700C1, is a standout choice for anyone seeking reliable performance and great value. Equipped with a robust high-performance motor delivering 280 unit watts out UWO, it powers through tasks with ease. The 2-speed gearbox, 0 to 350 has 0-1,500 RPM, offers excellent control for fastening or drilling, while the half-inch keyless chuck ensures swift, tool-free bit changes. With a bright integrated LED light, working in low light or tight spaces is hassle-free. The included 20-volt max lithium-ion battery and fast charger get you back to the job in under an hour, and the whole package is backed by a solid 3-year limited warranty. Number 2. Fanttik E1 Max. The Fanttik E1 Max 3.7 volts electric precision screwdriver is a sleek, award-winning hero for delicate repair work. Housed in a durable aluminum alloy body, it's powered by a smart Neopulse motor that delivers precision torque settings. A low 0.05 nanometers, a high 0.2 nanometers, plus a manual override up to 3 nanometer, making it perfect for electronics like phones, cameras, tablets, and watches. The kit includes 50 premium S2 steel bits across multiple types, neatly stored in a satisfying magnetic pop-up case where both bits and the chuck snap into place effortlessly. With its 350 mAh rechargeable battery delivering around 450 Mecto25 x 5mm screws per full charge and convenient USB-C charging, it's as practical as it is precise. Plus, the E1 Max has earned both the 2023 IF Design Award and 2024 Red Dot Design Award, marrying high functionality with a polished aesthetic that stands out. 1. DeWalt DCD771C2. The DeWalt DCD771C2 cordless lithium-ion compact drill driver kit holds its reputation as a go-to workhorse for both DIYers and pros alike. It delivers up to 300 unit watts output, UWO, offering a great balance of power and efficiency, while its compact, lightweight design, just 3.6 pounds, keeps fatigue at bay during longer projects. The half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures secure bit retention and smooth, one-handed operation. And the 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 and 1,500 RPM, gives you the versatility for everything from delicate screw driving to more demanding drilling tasks. What truly elevates its value is the inclusion of 2 reliable lithium-ion batteries and a charger in the kit, making this one of the most dependable and ready-to-go starter packages in the DeWalt lineup. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and DIY tips. If you're interested in grabbing the best electric drill driver kit with bits, check out the product links in the description below. They're the exact kits we tested in this video. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want us to review another tool next. See you in the next video.